There's a great need for physical therapists, both in number, but primarily in quality. Our mission is to develop clinicians with excellence so that they can deliver care to the humans that they're entrusted to help.
What I really like about the culture here at Manchester is that we're really focused on continually trying to grow, and having that mindset of trying to get better every day, to me, is what is the essence of being a professional. Yes, goals are a part of it, and we're trying to hit our goals on the way, but the most important thing is growth, and growth happens when you succeed and growth happens when you fail. Healthcare is hard, and caring for people is hard, and leadership's hard. It should be fulfilling, it should be inspiring. I really want our students and therapists inside of this profession to enjoy what they do and be fulfilled by it.
One of the visions we had initially starting this program was, let's condense the curriculum. We're able to graduate in 2.5 years. We have a tremendous amount of support for this program. We have 3 very large labs, equipment all brand new. Students are pleasantly surprised when they step on campus and see the space. We'll have a pro bono clinic, so it'll allow for collaboration with nursing, athletic training, pharmacy, and nutrition to provide those services to the community, which is much needed.
As a university, our focus is really on advancing the profession and advancing healthcare. Ultimately, at the end of the day, being a physical therapist is about working with people to achieve their goals and achieve better wellness and better health. And if you're not in it for those reasons, then you're always going to be seeking something more.
We're here for you, and we're here for the profession. If we can get you to excel, then we're bettering the profession.
My vision for the PT program at Manchester is to lead the nation in critical thinking and clinical excellence. We're excited for you to start in May, the next portion of your journey toward being a provider of choice for the tens of thousands of patients that you'll see over the course of your career.